how to change the visibility of your uh, personal information on Roblox. So in today's video I will tell you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So right now you have to open your Roblox first and then come to this 3 point here and then go and open your settings. Right now on your settings, go to account information, and then you have to go to the last button, visible to, and it will change for everyone, friends, no one, followers, everything you need. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.